Testing, testing. Is this thing on? What's going on, guys? So this is like a little random video. I just kind of wanted to document rebuilding my Shoei GT Air 1 helmet. This is my Shoei. I've been using this thing for plenty of years now. And the problem is after some time, it wears out. So the cheek pads are, destroyed. The top pad is just disintegrating. So I figured instead of getting a new helmet, I really wanted to rebuild this one. I'd love it. It's very light. So in this video, I'm just going to be kind of showing you like the parts that I'm using and how I'm going to customize it. It's really simple. So this is a standard gloss black Shoei GT Air 1. This is the original one that came out in 2014. As you can see, I took everything out. Top pad, cheek pads, undergarment, pretty much everything. The visor, I just had the clear visor. So I cleaned everything, really detailed everything, cleaned the inner shade as well. So I ordered brand new OEM Shoei pads from Japan, I guess. So these are the Type 39, the Type F cheek pads, which are size 39, so it's 39 millimeters of pad. And then these are the L13 top comfort pads, and those are 13 millimeter cushioning as opposed to the 9. So we're going to be strapping these in, and yeah, should be a new helmet once we're done. And I got a new visor, and that's going to look sick too. Yeah. All right, so step one, let's do the top pad. So here's the part number. And I'll have everything listed in the description too. Nice. See, I love this. This is gonna feel so good. No. So I'll grab this little guy. I don't know if you can, probably not gonna be able to see much, but I will show what I can. So this goes here. These go here. It's really simple. It's just top pad has like these two little clips in there. You'll definitely hear it once you get it in there. And the pad just goes flattened up against this top part, and it just clips in. Top part clips in. Kind of want to follow the edge here. Just like that. That's really nice. Damn. Huge difference already. Like the padding feels really nice and fresh. You know what I mean? Alright, so there's that. And then next, we have the 39 pads, the Type F cheek pads. Everybody loves these. Again, here it is. We'll post the part numbers and everything down in the description. Here we have OEM Shoei cheek pads. I love this. And you can tell, like, let's get the same one over here. Oh, wow. Yeah, you can totally tell. New ones, old ones, these are like dented in. These are nice and padded and fluffy. Oh, wow. And it's really simple. You're going to pass the strap through the piece right here. Pass the strap in. Make sure. I love how, oh gosh, that sounds so good. That is so satisfying. Yep. Yep. Because that's what's gonna like set the distance for everything. See, it's got this little hook right there. You've got to get it in this little clip. So it's kind of annoying, but I get it. I get it. There you go. See that clip? You'll feel it too. It's not very hard. Yeah, it's a nice clip. pass the strap through. One in the rear, top, and then the cheek. Oof. All right, moment of truth. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted. This is perfect. Can't forget the best part. So the visor was a clear visor, and of course, that's never cool enough. So this time, we're going with iridium orange. And what I love about this is how easy, but also like secure their system is. So it's got little brackets here. You pull the locks down, and it snaps right in. Freaking love these. Boom. And that's locked. And that's perfect. And now we've got... Oh yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect. I love it. So here we have my new to me Shoei GT Air 1 with brand new internals inside, cheek pads and everything, and the visor. The visor looks sick, I think. So yeah, just want to do a quick video, kind of, I don't know, documenting that, like building the helmet again. Thought it was really cool. It feels brand new. I love it. This is exactly the result that I wanted. The links to the items are down in the description below, and yeah, this is going to be a lot better now. Thanks for watching, guys.